Welcome to Cake's Concealed Carry. Every bag includes a nylon hook and loop holster adapter, which can be also used as a basic trigger guard. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use it safely and correctly with different holster clips and options. First, let's talk about using it as a simple trigger guard. Open the two arms of the holster adapter. One side is going to be male Velcro and the other is going to be flat. Place your firearm in the center of the holster adapter, then wrap the arms around the trigger. Tighten it just enough so the firearm does not wiggle, but keep it loose enough so that you can draw smoothly without resistance. Always test your draw a few times to make sure it feels secure and natural. Next, let's attach it to a holster with a DCC clip. Open the arms of the holster adapter and find the arm with the smooth and flat side. That flat side should face the inside of the holster. Feed that arm into the DCC clip from one side and pull it through to the other side. This will not be easy. The adapter is cut exactly to the maximum width that can fit into the DCC clip. Once it's all the way through, take the other arm and wrap the male Velcro over it for a tight fit. As always, double check to make sure the holster is not coming loose. For the monoblock clip, the process is the same. Open the arms and feed the smooth side through the monoblock slot. Pull it through completely and then secure it by wrapping the male Velcro arm over the female Velcro arm. Again, test to make sure that everything is tight and stable. Finally, let's cover the UltiClip or UltiTuck. Flip the UltiClip to the open position. Open the arms of the holster adapter. Identify the smooth side and the flat arm. That's the arm that needs to wrap against the holster body. Clip the UltiClip onto the female Velcro arm, and then wrap the male Velcro arm over it to secure everything in place. As always, check for movement and make sure that nothing is shifting around. It should be a tight fit. No matter which holster clip you use, always confirm that the adapter is tight, secure, and safe. Your firearm should never wiggle inside the bag, and your draw should always feel clean and consistent. That's how you use your Cakes holster adapter. Stay safe, stay trained, and thank you for choosing Cakes Concealed Carry.